hit my door one more time, I'm gonna put you in the goddamn dirt.
All right. You can step out of the way and I can talk to the rest of the people in this house. That's what's going to happen.
No, no, you can't.
You're not going to talk to me is what can happen.
No, if I walk down these stairs, me and you are gonna wrestle.
That's not
Please walk down the stairs then,
No,
douchebag.
you're gonna try to put your hands on me.
Well,
and I'm gonna put you in the
I'm
dirt.
concerned for both my safety and the safety of
I
the
would
people
love
in
to
this house.
see that. Hello friends, Squink here, former cop, future mall cop, here to break down another video using my law enforcement experience and to answer the question that everyone wants to know, which is, what the hell are the cops doing? Let's get into it. Today's video comes from Police Release. Police Release, that kind of rhymes. 12-year-old secretly calls police on abusive father. Doesn't end well. I've never seen this. Walking in blindly, reacting in real time. Here we go.
On March 23, 2025, officers were dispatched to a residence following a report of a domestic disturbance made by a child concerning her father.
Aw, what a cutie. The cat's like, the dad is abusive. You know that, right? No cat, but we'll look into it.
Hey, how you doing? What's going on tonight?
My girl's husband?
Okay. All right, what's he doing?
I don't. Do you know Brandon Shabinsky?
Mhm.
You might want backup because he's acting like a moron.
Okay.
A lot of the times with these abusive types, especially the male figures, you'll see that they have everyone in the house terrified of them, including the significant other, and they will go to great lengths to protect the abusive one.
How you doing, man?
Very sad. Very sad.
Come on.
Hey, come on, talk to me.
No, I don't need to.
All right. Well, what's going on tonight, man?
You called these?
I've been standing there with you the whole time.
Why the are you out here?
Well, come on here and talk to me, man.
No, why the are you here?
Because somebody called.
Paisley, come
Here we go. Bye.
No.
Okay, so if the 12-year-old called and he shuts the door on them, there could be an argument for exigent circumstances. If I were in this situation, I would absolutely kick that door down immediately.
County 9510, get me another unit out here.
I have a duty to protect the children.
What you gonna do? You can't do shit. Get a warrant.
Come out here, man.
You wanna play?
Brandon, we're not
Let's play.
doing. We're not doing
No,
that.
we're not
Wanna
doing
play?
that. Come on.
Sure, buddy, come out. Let's play, because I'll tell you right now, you will fucking lose immediately, you douchebag, abusive father. This is not going to end well.
Come out here and talk to me.
Move.
We're not doing
You wanna
that.
play?
I don't want to play anything.
Get a
We're
warrant.
not slamming the door. We're not doing this.
Good for
Who
her.
called you?
Don't ball your fist up at me, man.
Oh, I'm holding my thumb.
Okay.
You. If
Come
I
on.
were to ball my fist up
Come out
at
here
you,
and talk to me, man.
I'll push you in the
He's
ground.
literally
You know,
balling
that's
his.
not gonna happen.
He's literally balling his fists up.
You wanna bet?
Man, I'm just trying to see what was. Someone was concerned. Somebody called.
Who?
It doesn't matter who.
Yep. Now who?
It doesn't matter.
Who called?
It doesn't matter, man. I just want to make sure everyone's safe.
Yep. Everybody's safe. Thanks for stopping
No,
out.
that's not how this is gonna work.
Good for
How many
her.
people are in the
I'm
house?
really proud of her.
Step up here and threaten me one more time. Take one more step, and now you're threatening, and I'm gonna put you in the ground.
All right. Here's what's gonna happen.
Okay,
here's
we'll see
Someone
about
called
that.
911. I'm here to make sure everything's all right.
Okay,
I'm
everything
gonna talk to everybody in this house.
The hardest part about being a police officer, especially if this 12-year-old called, it would be very difficult, and it is very difficult, to remain cool knowing that there's a possibility that this piece of garbage is in there abusing his family, especially children. Especially children. It's going to be very hard for this police officer to remain calm and use verbal judo to try to get into that house, because it pisses you off to think about what could be going on in there.
House.
Yeah, everything's fine.
All right. I'm not.
If you hit my door one more time, I'm gonna put you in the goddamn dirt.
All right. You can step out of the way and I can talk to the rest of the people in this house. That's what's going to happen.
No, no, you can't.
Here. You're not in charge of this, is what.
He has a
Well,
duty to
Yes, I
investigate
do.
the entirety of the situation,
Get your hands out of
including the safety of everyone in there.
Pockets.
Or what?
Get your hands out of your pockets.
Why? Oh, I'm gonna hit you with a napkin?
I don't know what's in your pocket.
Oh, I don't own a gun. I don't have guns. I hate guns.
How many people are in this house? I need to talk to them, make sure everything's all right.
No, you don't need to talk to anybody.
That's not.
You don't need
He's
to talk to
obviously
anybody in this house.
fearful.
All right, how much have you
And
had
the
to drink
reason
tonight?
being, because no,
Go on.
everything's fine. Everything's copacetic.
I'm not asking you. I'm asking to talk to the rest of the people in this house.
You ain't gonna talk to my kids.
I am gonna talk to them.
No, you ain't. Who do you think you are?
Look, I don't know you and you don't know me.
Exactly.
Okay.
And I'm telling you.
I'm telling
you. ain't talking to my kids. How about that?
I'm not
and
leaving.
You know who the
I would say I am not leaving until I speak with them. So, your choice, bud.
I am.
I don't know who you are. I've never met you a day in my
bullshit,
life.
because you
All
threw it over
you,
the...
you can come out here and talk to me is what can happen.
No, if I walk down these stairs, me and you are gonna wrestle.
That's not
Please
gonna happen.
walk
I'm
down
telling
the
you that right
stairs
now.
then,
No,
douchebag.
you're gonna try to put your hands on me.
Well,
And I'm gonna put you in the
I'm
fucking dirt.
concerned for both my safety and the safety of the
I
rest
would
of the people
love
in
to
this house.
see that.
I didn't touch nobody.
I didn't ask if you.
So get in your little patrol car and get the off my property.
That's not gonna happen.
You want to bet?
I told you what's gonna
because
happen.
I just told you, get the
I don't
my
care
property.
what you told me. I'm here because
It's
somebody
a private
called.
drive. Get the out of here.
I don't care what it is.
Oh, you don't care.
Have you not realized that you're not in control of the situation?
I am in control.
You are not in control.
You want to bet?
So you can let me talk to the rest of the people.
No, you won't talk to my kids.
This guy's going to start freaking out when he realizes he is losing control of the situation. This type needs to be in control all of the time. That's why he uses manipulation and abuse to try to gain the upper hand over everyone in his life.
Fran,
Mario,
you want to come talk to me? You are not going to stop her from talking to me. That's not going to happen.
if she wants to go around the other way, she can talk to you. If I come down these stairs, me and you are going to wrestle.
We are not going to wrestle.
I hope
wanna
that
bet.
happens.
That.
So you
Why don't you
lose
just have a seat?
horribly.
For what?
So I can do my job.
Your job is done.
My job is not done.
Bye.
All right. Do not close that door.
You walk up these stairs.
You know what's really sad to think about as well? I'm sorry I keep pausing it, but I have so many things to say about this. Because she's standing up for the safety of her family that's behind her in this house, and she's doing what he does not want her to do. If this officer were to leave, you know damn well that this guy's going to beat the hell out of her for doing that. It's very sad.
Come up one more. I'm going to take that as a threat. And now I
can
got
say-
every right to put you in the ground.
That is not how this is. Do not. Do not.
Do not what?
Do not. Step away from me. Step away from me.
You can't do shit to me in my house.
Get down the stairs now. Get down here.
You can't do nothing to me.
County 9510. One at Taser Point. Open the door! Open the door! Where's he at?
That, in the eyes of the court, in some jurisdictions, can be seen as an invitation to come in. If an occupant of the house who lives there and has established residency opens the door and ushers the officer in, that is an invitation to come in. I would go in. I hope he goes in.
You can't do anything. You're not allowed in my house.
Get in here!
Get out.
Get over here!
She has
Get your
just as
hands
much
up!
right
Get
to
your
give
hands
him
up now!
access to the inside of the house.
I am not doing this! Get your fucking hands up! Get your fucking hands up!
Stop.
Get your... We're past this! Get your fucking hands up! Get your hands up!
I'm being dead serious.
Turn around!
Stop.
Turn
Stop.
around!
She
Stop.
needs to
I got a
move.
cane corso.
Get...
Stop.
Oh, he's not so tough anymore. Interesting.
Stop.
Put
Gee.
away!
Get your fucking hands up!
Let's go. Let's go.
Turn around! Stop coming towards me!
I'm coming to talk to you.
I
Get your
love when
fucking
they're
hands
not
up.
so tough anymore.
Turn around!
You're not allowed in this house.
Turn around! Turn around. Get your hands behind your back. Now. Does that look like your back?
Yep. They're behind my head. They're behind me. Hey.
Not so tough anymore. The reason they want to call him out of the house is because there could be a number of things inside this house hidden in strategic places that gives them access to weapons. So if they were to command him onto the ground inside this house, there could be a gun underneath the sofa. There could be a samurai sword behind this skeleton figure right here. So it's best to have them as open in an open area as possible to eliminate that from happening. I just love how
Do not move. You
not
understand
so
me?
tough
Get your other
anymore.
hand back here.
They never are. The cat's like, I'm out of here.
I didn't tell you to move. Let's go.
Dude, hey, I'm being serious.
I don't care what you are. This was simple. What you had to do was you had to follow
No,
instructions.
what was simple is I shut my door and I told you I didn't need you.
I didn't care.
Hey, he walked in my house unlawful.
Do not move your hands. Do you understand
Your
me?
wife opened the door for me.
You get off your power trip real quick, bud. You walked
You need
in
to
my...
stop or you're getting ready to go back on the ground. Enough.
Would have been simple had you just sat down.
Get your hands off me, please. I haven't given him any kind of trouble.
Is that why you had to point a taser at you?
Oh, what? When he walked in my house unlawful?
We're here for a disturbance.
Let's
We
play
can't
that
walk in the
game.
house.
When he
Sit down. Sit down.
Have a seat.
No.
Your wife opened the door for us.
Have a seat.
Oh my!
Oh, man!
You just slammed my mother.
Let's watch that again.
Who the?
Down.
Have a seat.
No.
Have a seat.
Oh my!
I don't think they slammed him.
No.
I think it was more he fell forward. Maybe. I don't
Have
know.
a seat.
Oh my!
Maybe they did slam
You just slammed my mother. Who the?
him. Is he
Get in
spinning?
the seat.
Who the? You think you are? You
Get in the
slammed my head off the wall.
If you'd sit down, you
Get-
could
No!
Get in the seat.
Get off me, and
Get
I'll
in.
get in. Get your hands off me.
Honestly, if this guy's beating his kids, things like this are going to happen as a result of not listening, putting yourself in these positions that the police are called, etc., etc. So it's just, one of those things.
Motherfucker.
He's got his hands off you. You said you were going to get in. Get in.
I am. Shut up.
You got about 3 seconds before we
Or
put hands
what?
back
Or
on you.
what?
I'm going to put hands back on you and make you get in
Oh,
the seat.
yeah?
Sit down.
I'm in.
Again, it's very important for police to try to remain calm
You a big motherfucker, aren't you? When tough on someone's back.
despite
How you been?
How you been,
the
big guy?
seriousness of the
He's like that all the
situation.
time when he drinks.
Yeah.
Man.
I imagine you would
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, I know him too well. He called. Well, the kid called. The kid called, yeah. Okay.
That's fine. I'm fine. Charges.
Tina, you okay?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm not upset that he's going. I'm very grateful. But he's gonna get released and come right back to us.
She's not wrong. It's a vicious cycle.
Just holes in my walls. Because look at all these fireball and shit. And finally, because he keeps yelling at my daughter. And so finally I said next time he raises his voice, I would just take it to your room and call 911 so he doesn't know that I did it, because I can't get by myself long enough just to get him to go, because I can't stand the verbal abuse and him breaking
This poor lady.
everything.
I'm actually so proud of her. Like, keeping the door open, letting him in, standing up for herself and her daughter, her family. Great work on her part. I feel terrible for her, but she has done tremendous.
Time I blink.
Yeah.
You're a little ass dog, I guarantee it. And I will press charges on this motherfucker.
We have
That's
one
fine.
son together, but I have 4 other children, and my children are biracial. Those 4. And I'm so tired of all the time recently hearing Nick this and Nick that, and because I went and I didn't ask him for permission to buy that Jeep 2.5, 3 years ago. I have to hear about that all the time, and I bought got a loan and for my oldest son for his
So
truck,
he's
and
using a
I'm like,
number
he's in here trying to
of manipulation tactics, financial manipulation, verbal abuse, physical abuse, it sounds like. This guy's a piece of garbage.
slamming everything and going on.
And he's an
tear down
alcoholic.
Because I bought my, or And he thinks I only co-signed, but co-signed him and choke it. And what if he wants something? I should be able to co-sign for him.
Oh, I hope they let you out, because I'll let my fucking dog out on you too. And my dog is gonna fucking kill you. Trust me.
This must be a canine car, and the canine is on the other side of this, and he's talking to the canine, because, you know, why not? He's drunk, so.
They can't do shit to me. I didn't do anything fucking wrong.
All right. Well, what did he break? What did he break tonight?
Nothing yet.
Okay.
Just slamming everything around. See, you know, it's getting ready to. You see, this is how he fixes holes when he scotch tapes them and shit. I can't even use my stove.
I wonder if he fixed the courtesy in hole we saw in the other video.
He flung shit across the kitchen a couple weeks ago and shattered the glass of the stove.
Okay.
The most we're going to do, she's right, the most we're going to be able to take him for is resisting. Then he's just going to go out.
Yeah.
Here he goes. Yeah.
Talk to the
Let me
12-year-old.
go. No. I'm done. You ain't gonna want this fucking lawsuit. Because y'all gonna get a lawsuit.
Talk to the.
Trust
I don't know
me.
why they're not talking to the 12-year-old.
Slam my fucking face. Walked in my house with no warrant.
Your wife let him in.
Threatened
So.
to tase me. Let's see how that shit holds up in court.
I feel like I can be out here when he's not here, because when he's not here and I'm out here, I can just like sit here and chill with my mom and everyone else, and I'm fine. But when he's here, I feel like I can't do that because he either pesters me or bothers me or yells at me for something. So I kind of just stay in my room the entire time.
So that must be the 12-year-old.
So what do you want done? What do you want to happen here?
I want to know how I can get him just to be out of here for good.
Okay. Has anybody talked to you about getting it like an emergency restraining order protection or
That would
anything?
be a good idea.
Okay.
I don't even know anything about those.
Okay. So what I'm going to recommend is go up to the Washington County Courthouse in Nashville, okay? Go meet with usually the circuit clerk or somebody. They have an advocate there who can help you get the papers filed. But essentially you fill out the form, it goes to the judge, and you tell the judge, hey, this is what's going on. You know, you tell him the
I
history.
was praying to God at the beginning of this month they were going to keep him when he went to court. But they just gave him another court date and extended it all the way out to June.
Hi.
Those poor kids.
All right, boss man, slide out. You good?
All these guys for me? Shit!
The man was charged with domestic battery and resisting arrest.
Oh, so they did charge him with domestic. Okay. All right. I have no patience for anyone that is beating on kids or treating kids poorly or creating just a generally horrible environment for kids to be raised in. I am so proud of the woman in this video, the significant other and the mother, because you know that when he gets out, he's going to remember everything that she did that was counterintuitive to what he wanted to happen as far as keeping the police out, etc. You know he's going to take it out on her. And the thought of that makes me so angry. And that was the hardest part about being a police officer, is being in situations where you know damn well what he's doing to everyone in that house, but you don't have the proof just yet. I hope they build a fantastic case against him. I don't know if there was more interview with the 12-year-old that we didn't see, but obviously there was enough to charge him with domestic abuse. And unfortunately, I agree with the part that people say the criminal justice system is broken. It is broken in the sense that the same people keep doing horrible things and then getting let back out. I agree with that. I hope he gets what's coming to him, and I think he eventually will. And I just hope the public officials in that area hold him accountable and protect those kids, because that is the most important part. I give the police a 6.7. There's a lot of gray area with what we saw, but 6.7 out of 10. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you tomorrow in tomorrow's video. Bye.